last point would be just the decimal floating point, and here we have like more, let's say, more precision. It's these are the applications for financial applications, control over precision and everything. And you can see that the rounds are quite. If we do just round, for example, of this with Python, let's say calculation, it will be 73. But if we do it with decimal, it will be 74 because it will really count all the decimals that are between these two, and it will really calculate them. Like here we can check with the precision. Like if we do something like this, we'll have something like, and it will round it to the plus here. Here we can just check. No. Here sometimes like we can really get into a lot of precision. For example, we want precision of 36. It goes like on all of the till the 36 let's say decimal. So it can come really handy when you do some let's say some very precise calculations. And yeah, it is also important when you have, for example, this kind of 5, for example, and you want to round the 5. So here on decimal it will round it to 74 instead of 73. So those are somehow the differences that you would like to use the decimal library. So this is it for this tutorial, and hope to see you for the next and the last one of this series.